What is Forex? You've heard the terms Forex, foreign exchange, or the Forex market hundreds of times throughout your life, whether it's been on the news, radio, or simply at the airport or the bank. You know it's important and it's something you want to know more about because everybody's talking about it or involved in it somehow, but you don't really understand how it works, do you? Don't worry, we are here to help you understand each and every aspect of how this industry works and most importantly, provide you with the knowledge and tools you need in order to succeed once you start trading. Learning to trade is a journey. It takes commitment, patience, practice and effort. But if you master it, we promise you that the journey will be worth it. So let's start at the beginning. Simply put, the foreign exchange market, or the Forex market, is where currencies are traded. It's the global market where you can exchange one currency for another. Over $5 trillion are traded daily, which makes the foreign exchange market the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Interestingly, there is no centralized marketplace for foreign exchange. Currency trading takes place electronically over the counter, which means that all transactions are conducted via computer networks between traders around the globe, rather than on one centralized exchange. You've already experienced trading Forex physically if you've ever changed one currency to another for travel purposes. So knowingly or unknowingly, trading Forex is not a new concept for you. For example, you went on holiday last year to Switzerland skiing, and you needed Swiss francs. You changed your money from your local currency to Swiss francs at the airport or at the bank before you left. This is a foreign exchange transaction. On your way home, you changed the francs you had left back into your local currency at the airport. Another foreign exchange transaction, only this time you noticed the exchange rate was different. You may have been happy or sad depending on whether the new exchange rate was in your favor or not, meaning you could have got more money back than you thought you would or less money back. But either way, it's these small movements in the exchange rate that allow you to make money on the foreign exchange market. So, parallel to the physical act of exchanging money, trading Forex online or over the counter is simply buying or selling currency to make money on small or large movements in the exchange rates, without actually holding the money in your hand.